Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of adding a sleek clock widget like this to your Windows 10 computer. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. To get started, we'll need a fantastic tool called Rainmaker. Head over to rainmaker.net, I'll leave the link in the description. Once there, download the latest version. It's a quick and straightforward process. Just click Install and finish. Now, let's give our desktop a stylish clock. We'll need a skin for that. Visit visualskins.com/skin/elegant-clock, link in the description. Scroll down. Click Download for the Elegant Clock skin. You can explore other clock options here too. Once downloaded, open the file, select the skin you prefer. I'll go with the light clock for this tutorial, and click Install. That's it. The Elegant Clock has been added to your Rainmaker library. Next, open Rainmaker. Look for the Rainmaker icon in your system tray. If it's not there, search for Rainmaker in your Start menu. Double-click to open the Rainmaker interface. In the Rainmaker interface, you'll find the Elegant Clock. Click on the arrow to see the available clock styles. Let's go with the light clock, select it and click Load. With the clock loaded, now, you can move your clock widget to any position you like on your desktop. It's customizable to fit your preference. And there you have it. You've successfully added a stylish clock widget to your Windows 10 desktop using Rainmaker. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.